welcome back to another video. Firstly, England's playing, so if you hear any shouting, I apologise. Right, something exciting today. Modelones has sent me one of their little, this is their new lipstick gels that they're doing, gel polishes, but they're in little bottles like lipstick gel polishes. You're a bit low down there, aren't you? That's a bit better. You can see a little bit more, can't you? So I'm gonna, this bag is really nice. It's a really good quality little bag actually. I like it. So these are from Amazon. I've actually got two, look. They've sent me a pink and a purple, but as pink is my favourite colour, I'm going to dive straight in with the pink. So let's see what we get inside. I've not even had a look at these yet. So we've got a cuticle oil. Oh, it's peach. Right. So it's peach. So this is one of them that you turn the top until it comes out and paint it on your nails. Love them. So this is a gel polish starter kit. It should have everything in here that you need to do your nails start to finish. So it's got a little cuticle fork thingy-majiggy. Cool. Oh, look at this, guys. Teeny weeny little Modelones. The full size buffers that Modelones do are the same shape as this. And they're really, really good buffers. A little mini one. And a little file as well. How cute is that buffer though? Oh, love that. Right, so we've got a file and a buffer. We've got a little duster brush. Cool. Ooh, this is exciting. Right, what else is in here? Right, we've got some stickers. Let's have a look at the stickers. Right, so, oh, there's two. Oh, how cute are they? And they're sparkly. Oh, the camera's not showing them very well. So they're love hearts, and they've got little glittery sparkly on them. They're textured as well. Look at them butterflies. These are perfect for this time of year. The sun's shining. Everyone's got the neon colours out. Perfect. Love them. Oh, and there's two of these as well. So these are just gold. They've got like little studs on them. I like them. They're cool. Oh, I like these chains as well. And then this one. I like them. Cool. Oh, this is a cute little kit. Right, let's see what else we've got. We'll look at the gels last because we're going to get them swatched. I love this little bag. This is so cool. It's a really good quality little pouch. Right, so we've got a little lamp. So this really is a starter kit. It's got everything that you would need to do your nails. Right, so it's USB powered. Looks like a good length as well. And look, guys, the lamp is pink. Oh, I love it. I can never open these. I can never get them open. There we go. How cute is that? So there's your button on the side to turn it on and off. Gorgeous. Love it. Right, so I'll leave that out actually because we're going to use that to cure these gels. Right, let's have a look at these gel polishes, shall we? Oh, look at these, guys. These are so cool. Never seen anything like these. Right, so it comes with a base and the top coat first. So these are glass bottles. So that's the top coat with a gold top. And that's your base coat. These are 10ml bottles as well, guys. When I first saw these, I thought they were going to be the small 5ml. But they're not. They're actually 10ml bottles. So let's have a quick nosy at this top coat. I'm going to use it anyway, but... Oh, the stem of these brushes is a long stem. Yeah, it's a nice top coat. I do like Modelones top coat. It's thick-ish. It's thickish, but it's not too thick. I like it. And the base coat, again, I've used Modelones base coat a lot. Yeah, the base coat's thinner than the top coat. It's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Right, so let's see what colours we've got. Oh, these bottles, they feel so nice. They're like, feel like rubber almost. They're really nice. So this is number 7. I'm not going to open them all up. I'm going to get these swatched, but yeah, I like the look of these. I do. Right, let's get all this cleared away, actually. And we'll get them swatched, shall we? Right, so I've got all my swatch sticks ready to go. So I'm going to start with the base coat. This lamp as well, the little button, you press it once for a 45-second cure. And you press it and hold it for 2 seconds. And that'll give you a 60-second cure. I'm going to use the base coat. I'm just going to try the base coat on the first swatch stick. Just to see that it's got... Should I bring you in a bit now for these? Yeah, we'll just check the base coat out. Make sure it applies alright. Yeah, the base coat is one of the thinner base coats. And the top coat is a thickish top coat. Right, let's get that cured and see if it's got a bit of a tacky layer. So, just going to stick that under there. Oh, this is so cute. Right, guys, that's it cured. It's cured nice with a tacky layer. Right, so the first one we're doing is number 7. Let me move these back a bit out the way. We'll bring my lamp in. This lamp is adorable. So, let's start with number 7. So this one looks like a really deep kind of purple colour. It looks really pretty, actually. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's one of them kind of, you know, like you get the dark navy blues and these deep purple and the sheer jelly-like. It's one of them kind of purples. Beautiful. I love Model 1 gel polishes. These gel polishes as well, the formula is the same as their wooden top bottles. Right, let's get that into cure and we'll give that a second coat in a minute. It's a really, really deep plum purple colour, isn't it? Oh, I keep pressing the top of it because my other mini lamp, you press the top. This one, you have to press the side. Right, I'm going to move this off to the side now because it's getting in my way a little bit. Right, so next one is number 8. I love the feel of these bottles. They're so comfortable and just, yeah, they're just really nice to hold. Oh, this is like a deep pink. Wow. I like this colour. I don't think I have got a colour like this in my collection. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. That is a beautiful colour. Look at that, guys. It's like a deep, yeah, pink, but a really deep pink. I love that. Right, next, this one is number 9. I'll wipe these swatch sticks, they're a bit dusty. Oh, this is a nice pink. Oh, this is a beautiful pink. Beautiful colour pink. All pinks are beautiful, but that's nice. These apply beautiful. Super smooth and creamy and opaque. Oh, look at that. Look how glossy it is. Love it. Beautiful. Right, then we've got number 10. I hope they do more colours in this lipstick collection. I'd love a nice little shelf. One of my shelves. I'd love to fill it with a few different colours of these. I just love these bottles. They're beautiful. What's that in it? I keep pulling all my swatch sticks out without wiping them off. Oh, I love that. Love that colour. It's a really nice nude pink, that, isn't it? I'm really, really enjoying nude colours at the minute. I'm using a lot of nudes at the minute, and that's a really nice nude pink. This one looks like it's going to be a nude as well. Number 11. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be a nice nude. Yeah, it is. This is a really creamy. Oh, wow. It's got a pink tone to it. But it's a really light beige kind of creamy pink. I'm so rubbish at describing colours. Yeah, it's like a light beige with a pink tone to it, isn't it? Yeah, that's how I'd describe it anyway. Right, this last one, number 12. Now, this one does look like a nude. A real light beige creamy colour. Yeah, this is a nice colour. See, I've got a bit in that as well. Nice creamy nude colour. I like that. That is pretty. Excuse the little bit of lint or whatever it is. But yeah, that's a really nice nude. Right, I'm going to give this purple one another coat. I think these are intended to be sheer though. But I'm going to give it another coat anyway. This is a really deep purple. Really deep purple. Yeah, that's better. That's loads better. Right, let's get that one cured. Right, I'm going to use the top coat on all of these now. So that little lamp's cured them all perfectly. I just put them in on a 45-second timer and it's cured them perfect. So let's see what this top coat's like. I keep wiping too much off my brush. I'm really not used to these bottles. Never used anything like them before. Yeah, I love Modelones top coat anyway. It's always been one of my favourites. Right, I'm going to get the rest of these top coated. Made a mess of these swatch sticks, haven't I? Right, we'll get the rest of these top coated and we'll have a look at them. Super glossy. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I really like them. I love that there's a nude in there. There's a couple of lights. There's a proper pink. And then a couple of dark ones. So, yeah, you could do a really cool design with them. They'd look beautiful marbled, wouldn't they? A nude base with a dark and a light marble maybe. Not sure. In my next video, I'm going to use this kit and I'm going to do a design using some of the stickers and the gel polishes. See what we can come up with. But I think it's a real nifty little kit. Love that these are 10mm. I was shocked when I saw that they were 10mm. I love the feel of them. They're so nice. This would be a perfect little kit to take on holiday. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so cute. But anyway, guys, that's it for today. We'll have a play with it in my next video or this week sometime. And we'll do a cute little design. I want to use these. I think I want to use these more than I do the gold ones. But yeah, I'll swatch the purple one as well. I'll either swatch the purple one next, or I'll do a design using this one next. I've not decided yet. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave the link below where you can get this from. I think it's available on UK Amazon and USA Amazon. I think it's on Modelones website as well. All the info will be in my description box anyway. But that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.